So I got the 2015 Impala. Yeah, we putting them things on it. You know me. But as you already know, there's one small obstacle with these damn Impalas. This is damn strut plate they started putting on here. Now, in order for me to get these 24s to fit on here without lifting, without cutting, I had to get a specific tire size, and I had to push this up just a little bit to get the clearance on the back side of my wheel. So that's how it's done. You just kind of wedge it in there, jack it up about quarter inch, something like that, and then you should be able to get your wheel on there if you got the proper wheel size, etc., etc. 25 series is what I'm running, just so y'all know. Alright, as you can see, I got just enough clearance behind my wheel. And then I have to cut. Now, right offset, right tire size. Let's say you run a 25 series. That's all you need to do on these. Just jack that up just a little touch, get that wheel clearance, and you're good to go.